Hey everyone, this is Ron with Premium Select Supplies. We've got two Benchmade knives here. The first one here is the 535 Bugout and its partner, the 535S with a serrated blade Bugout knife. These are fantastic knives, especially if you're putting together a backpack where you need everything lightweight. This weighs in less than 2 ounces on both knives. This has the axis mechanism here, and what's cool about this is it's DLC coated titanium. That's pretty sweet. It's got the drop point blade. It's nice and thin and just under a 1/10 of an inch. It has an ambidextrous thumb stud opener, and it's anodized studs and spacers as well. The steel is CPM S30V. It is a premium blade steel. It's fantastic. It keeps an ultra sharp edge. And one of the other exciting features of it, just to help keep some of the weight off, is this mini deep pocket clip. What a great design this is. I'll have the rest of the specs in the comment fields. Please post some comments if you own one of these or any questions that you might have. You can get this at premiumselectsupplies.com. Thank you.